What's up, YouTube? I am going to show you my 2013 Nissan Maxima SV Sport Edition with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto installed directly into the factory system. I did not swap out any equipment here. This is the same factory navigation touchscreen that came off of the line in 2013. Okay, I did not change any equipment. This is not a new head unit. What I did was I added a smart Android infotainment system into the car. So I added new software to old hardware. So it is now connected over to the Android smart infotainment system. You can see all the apps I have right here. I downloaded them directly from the Google Play Store there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I did not lose anything as far as my factory settings. I still got my 6-disc CD changer. I can save all the songs to the car. When I click over to aux, that's when it kicks it over to the Android system. Okay, so then I can click on Apple CarPlay. As you notice in this video, it's moving a little slower than it typically does, and I think that was only because I was recording from my phone that I was connected to using the Apple CarPlay. So I think it made it a little bit glitchy and a little slow. But other than that, the system typically doesn't run like that. This system is awesome. I've been running it for about 2 months now, and it's great. It has brought my 2013 Nissan Maxima into the modern age. So if you enjoyed this video, drop me a like, subscribe. There's more.